Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're trying out the RAINS Hilo Weekend Bag in the color black. So we picked up this bag while we were traveling in Greece as an extra carry-on that we wanted to take home because we did a little bit of purchasing. We thought that this bag would be the best, minimal but sturdy bag. You can see it is a pretty open bag with no organization whatsoever. The material is kind of like a scuba material. It does have that additional scuba material on the hand strap, and it snaps together to keep everything in place. There are a few other bells and whistles that come with this bag, which are primarily a shoulder strap that attaches from one end of one side to the other end of another side. All of the hardware of this bag are a beautiful matte black color. They feel very sturdy and well made, and they don't feel like they're going to break off. I can actually attest that we have used this bag since multiple times, and it fits a lot of things in here using the shoulder strap, and it can actually bear a lot of weight. All right, taking a closer look at the material itself, you can see that this is definitely a sturdy material. It is waterproof, and it actually cleans pretty easily. Now we did check this bag and it did get a little dirty, so some stains are going to be harder to clean than others, but overall I think for everyday use you're going to have some luck with this one. Taking a look inside the bag, you can see it is a very nice, smooth, but again, very well crafted interior material. This is not gonna rip like something like a Longchamp or something of a weaker quality. Thanks for watching, be sure to subscribe.